Hi, my name is Chef Up from Hope's Kitchen, and today we are going to make peach pie. Here are ingredients: butter, sugar, eggs, cornstarch, vanilla, nutmeg, and peaches, and the other stuff. And first we're going to start with the butter. And now I'm going to do the sugar. Now all the sugar's in there. Now I'm going to use my blender and blend it. First I'm going to put it on slow. The butter has been, now it's been all crunched up, and now it kind of looks like cheese. Now I'm going to put it up a little bit higher. Stop it. Oopsie. Now I'm gonna start with the egg. Now I'm gonna do the eggs. And now I'm gonna blend it again. For a second and try to scoop it all down over here because it's all on the wall, because it's all sticky now. Now I'm going to stop again. Now I'm going to do the cornstarch. Get my finger and just do it. And now I'm gonna put it in again. Now I'm gonna stop it again. And put the vanilla in. Now I'm done putting the vanilla in. Now I'm going to mix it again. Now it's going to turn a little bit darker. Now I'm going to stop it again and put the nutmeg in. And now I'm going to blend it again. And I'm putting it on easy. See, it kind of looks like cinnamon dip, but it's really Indian spices. Now to put on fat. And now I'm going to stop. That was a little surprise. And now I'm going to put the peaches in. I'm going to dump it all, and you think I'm going to use a blender, but I'm just going to mix it in. be hard because the peaches are all big, but you could still mix them. Now I'm done mixing it. Let me get this off so there'll be enough for the pie. And now I'm going to put it in the pie shell. I have to be careful because this is still dough. It isn't cooked yet. And now I'm going to spread it. It might be hard to spread it though, because the peaches are hard still. And you think we're gonna put a top? Maybe the pies that you had before, but this time we're not gonna put the top on it. Now I'm gonna leave this aside over here, and now I'm gonna make the top. Now I'm going to start with the sugar. And now I'm going to start with the butter. And now I'm going to do the flour. Now I'm going to do the brown sugar. And now I'm going to do the cinnamon. And now I'm going to use my hands and mix it all up. Your hands might get all icky, but it's kind of fun because it's like playing with dough. Now I'm going to sprinkle this on top of our oopsie daisy. Now I'm going to sprinkle it. I'm going to sprinkle it a little more. And after this, we're going to put the salt and we're going to cook it in the oven, and then we're going to wait a little bit, like a few minutes. And then we're going to put the salt on it, and we're going to eat it. Now I'm going to do, I just did that. And now we're going to put it in the oven. And now I'm going to bring it to the oven and put it in. And this is what the peach pie taste looks like. And now I'm going to cut it. It's still very hot. Let's see if I could get it. I can't really get it, so I'll just have this. Let me get a spoon. I got a little weenie spoon. And I have some sugar ice cream. delicious. My name is Chef Hope from Hope's Kitchen. See you next time on Hope's Kitchen. Bye.